Ready to unlock a productivity superpower on your Mac? Let's dive into how ridiculously easy it is to use split view in macOS, so you can work onto apps at the same time, like a multitasking boss. First, make sure you have at least 2 applications open. You can see I've got Finder and Safari open. The split view magic starts with the green button in the top left corner of any application window. The maximize button, hover your cursor over this button and keep it still, don't click. Just hover, you'll see a dynamic menu pop up. This menu will show you a couple of options, either tile window to left of screen or tile window to right of screen. These dictate which side of the screen the current window will occupy. Choose the direction you want the current app to take up, left or right, by clicking your choice. Once you click that option, the application will instantly fill the half of the screen you selected. Now, macOS will showcase all of your other currently open apps, either as windows that did not fill the screen or as thumbnails. Click on the other app you want to work with in split view. Boom! You will find yourself working with 2 side-by-side applications in split view. You can now work on both apps simultaneously. To adjust the size of both apps, hover your cursor over the dividing line between them. You can drag the line to reallocate the screen split, making one app take up more room than the other. To exit split view, just move your mouse to the top left corner of either window and then click the green maximize button again to return to a standard window, and that's it. Happy multitasking.